quick underarm turn and loop. American Rumba bronze level. Here we go. Quick, quick, slow. 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 Quick and quick, slow. So how we do it? So we start with the regular back step, followed by separation. Here I go quick, quick, slow. So here we want to land leaders on the front left leg, followers on the back step with the right leg back. Now from here we bring our partner back to us, quick, quick, slow, and doing 2 underarm turns. Quick and quick, slow, quick and quick, slow.